Young drivers are often hit with much higher car insurance premiums. And while there's nothing you can do about your age, there are a few ways you can reduce your costs. In this video, I'm going to talk through why car insurance for young drivers is so expensive and 7 key ways you can save. Plus, we've also included a handy checklist so you can make sure you've thought of everything before taking out your car insurance policy. Young drivers are those between the ages of 17 and 25. The reason why these policies are so expensive comes down to 3 things. The first is lack of experience. If you fall in this age bracket, chances are you've only been driving for a few years or have just recently passed your test. And this is more than just a sweeping statement. Studies have found that 17 to 25-year-olds are statistically more likely to get into road accidents, and you can't argue with math. The final reason could be the fact that this is your first car insurance policy, so you haven't yet built up a no-claims bonus, which could help to reduce your premiums in the future. There are a number of other things that will affect the cost of your car insurance, like the make and model of your car and where you live, but these factors will apply across every age group. In the UK, you are legally required to have at least third-party cover, but here are 7 potential ways you could save. Black box car insurance. Since risk and inexperience are 2 main reasons why young drivers' car insurance policies are so high, one way to reduce them is to prove you're a safe driver. And you can do this by taking out telematics or black box car insurance. This type of policy involves having a black box fitted into your car, which then monitors your driving performance. The idea is the safer you drive, the lower your premiums. It's worth noting here that some black box policies do come with curfews and restrictions on how far away from your registered home you can drive. And if you are genuinely not a safe driver, your premiums are likely to go up. Temporary car insurance. If you only use your car when you're back from uni or visiting family and friends and need to borrow their car, consider getting temporary car insurance. With temporary car insurance, you can insure your car for short periods of time, usually between 1 and 28 days. Getting your parents involved. Adding yourself to your parents' policy or adding them to yours can help lower premiums because of their age and experience. Some insurers will also offer a multi-card discount. Be aware that it is illegal in the UK to list yourself as a named driver if you are in fact the main driver to take advantage of lower premiums. So only use this hack if it genuinely suits your circumstances. Avoid monthly payments. If you can, try to pay your premium off in one blob. Increase your excess. Increasing your excess, which is the minimum amount you have to pay out towards any claims you make, can make your overall premium cheaper. Just ensure you don't raise it above an amount that you can afford to pay out of pocket. Choose a small, safe car. Choosing a small, safe car with easy-to-find parts will help to keep costs down, as well as increasing your car's security and avoiding adding any unnecessary modifications. Shop around. The best way to get the best deal is to shop around and compare as many policies and providers as you can. Some insurers will offer price matches to cheaper policies you find online, so get hunting for those sweet deals. There's no one policy that guarantees to be cheaper for all young drivers. Check out our full list of ways you can save and compare your policy options at finder.com. Links are in the description below. When it's time to lock down some car insurance, use this checklist to ensure you've covered all of your bases. Start by thinking about what kind of a driver you are and how often you use your car, as this could lead you towards a more tailored policy like black box or temporary car insurance. That being said, before you look at more tailored policies, it's always a good idea to initially research regular car insurance, like third-party fire and theft, and comprehensive cover. This way, you've got a solid overview of all of your options, and you may even find a great deal at this stage. If none of these options suit, now's the time to look into policies more tailored to your personal circumstances. Once you've picked the right policy for you, consider any optional extras like breakdown cover, courtesy car cover, or protected no claims. As well as adding cover, think about any optional extras you can get rid of. For example, trailer insurance if you're not going to be towing a trailer. Next, factor in any payment plan options. As mentioned before, it will usually work out cheaper if you can afford to pay your premium in one go. Remember, there's no such thing as the perfect policy, so really the key is to balance your cover needs with a reasonable price. Once you've paid for your car insurance, your provider will then send you over your policy documents. It's a great idea to store your documents somewhere safe and memorable, whether digitally or in a filing cabinet somewhere, so they're easy to find if you need to make a claim. For more information on all the ways you can save and to compare the right policy for you, head to finder.com. Links are in the description below. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one, give us a like below or leave us a comment to share your thoughts and questions. Thanks for watching.